Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. As Christmas is just knocking on the door, it's time to welcome Santa. Without a Christmas fruit cake, Christmas cannot be completed, right? It's a vegan and vegetarian version of fruit cake. If you don't have time for soaking the dry fruits, don't worry. Try this alcohol-free eggless plum cake recipe for this Christmas. I'm gonna share some tips and alternatives for this recipe. Stay with me till the end. We have soaked dry fruits in rum and orange juice last week. So as I promised you last week, here is my Christmas fruit and nut cake recipe in an air fryer using dry fruits soaked in orange juice. As my dry fruits soaked in the rum are still not ready to be used. So today, I'm baking a non-alcoholic version of Christmas fruit cake. Good Christmas cake will be moist and soft, densely packed, dark brown in color with a nice aroma. It's a rich cake with evenly distributed fruits and nuts. This cake batter will be denser than any normal cake and it has to be baked slowly at low temperature for longer time. After baking the cake, you can mature the cake by feeding with rum or which you have used for dry fruit soaking until Christmas. It stays good for months. If you are using fruit juice soaked dry fruits, the cake will last only for a week. If you don't have time for soaking dry fruits for a long time in alcohol, you can soak the dry fruits for a couple of hours in fruit juice and use it for baking. I'm gonna post a super yummy version of Christmas fruit cake using my Instant Pot next week, so stay tuned for it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to bake an eggless Christmas fruit cake in an air fryer. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. As I mentioned above, soak the dry fruits with either rum or fruit juices like orange, grape or cranberry. I have shared a recipe link for how to soak dry fruits for Christmas cake with and without alcohol in the description box below. Please do check it or check the playlist in the end. In a bowl, add warm water, brown sugar. You can also add white sugar instead, but I prefer brown sugar because it gives the nice brown color to the cake. Add coconut oil. If you want, you can add butter instead. Blend it well. To a sieve, add all-purpose flour or maida, a pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, dry ginger powder and nutmeg powder. Sieve it to avoid lumps. Add vanilla extract, lemon zest and orange zest. Blend it till the batter is combined. Add some chopped almonds and walnuts. Add dry fruits without any liquid. Gently mix. Here is a quick tip. If you are using a regular size loaf pan, it takes 30 to 40 minutes to bake. If you are baking in medium size pan, this bake for 17 minutes. The cooking time may vary depends on the size of the pan and then air fryer. Transfer the cake batter into the greased cake mold. Pat it gently. If you want, you can sprinkle some cherries or nuts on top. Preheat the air fryer at 325°F for 3 minutes. Mine preheats itself. If you don't have an air fryer, you can bake the plum cake in an oven at 320°F for 2.5 hours. Preheating is done. Keep the loaf pan inside the air fryer and let it bake for 325°F for 30 to 40 minutes. Look at this. Fruitcake is cooking beautifully. The smell is so good. It's done. Let's open and see. Let's check whether the cake is done or not. Insert the square in it, and if it comes out clean, then the cake baked completely. Wow, it's done perfectly. Let the cake cool down completely in the tin. Then take out the cake from the pan. Poke some holes for cake feeding with rum or enjoy it as it is. If you are feeding with rum, do feed once in a week. It will keep your cake moist and make it more flavorful. Wrap it with a paper and store it for a week. Our super delicious eggless Christmas fruitcake is ready. Enjoy this cake. Here are some tips and alternatives for this recipe. Tip number 1. You can either use rum-soaked dry fruits or orange juice soaked dry fruits. Tip number 2. You can use whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. The taste might vary. Tip number 3. If you are feeding the cake with rum, you can use leftover rum from soaked dry fruits for cake feeding. If your fruit absorbs all the alcohol, then use extra for feeding. Tip number 4. You can use any baking tin in a different shape as per your choice. The only thing you should remember is the baking time might vary. Tip number 5. Don't try to bake it fast at high temperature because this cake batter is denser than any normal cake. So, if you bake at high temperature, outside of the cake will be done faster, but the inside will be undone. So, bake slowly at low temperature. Tip number 6. Every air fryer is different, so check it and bake it until the skewer comes out clean. Do try this eggless Christmas fruitcake and have fun with your family and friends. Enjoy sharing this delicious cake with your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.